So here's stage 7. I put my JB welded high compression head back on, and I took the camshaft out and I retarded it 1 tooth on the camshaft to make the exhaust valves open later. And I also ground the intake lobes down so that they open a lot later. Close earlier also, just to try to build more pressure from it. Anyways, we'll give her a try here. Move the valve off here and see what happens. Oh yeah. Wow. Not a whole lot of difference. It's only reading 22 psi. Better fill the tank up there. And the needle's moving at a decent speed. Kind of hard to believe all that work only resulted in that little bit of change. Pretty well got the tank up to 22 there now. The last time I checked it, with this cylinder head on, it was actually reading 70 psi at the right by the exhaust valve. So I know this engine is capable of putting a lot more pressure out than it's doing, but I just got to figure out how to do it.